How are you?
I am good. Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Milan.
Where are you from?
I am from Japan.
Where do you live?
I live in Tokyo.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an older sister.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling.
What is your favorite food?
I love sushi.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books and watch movies.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy classical music.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak Japanese and English.
What is your favorite season?
I like summer.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like playing tennis.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I like to cook Italian food.
What are your hobbies?
I enjoy playing guitar and cycling.
Do you like video games?
If yes, I do.
What is your dream job?
I want to be a scientist.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Do you read the news?
Yes, I sometimes read the news online.
Have you ever been to another country?
Yes, I have visited Italy and Spain.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I relax at home or visit friends.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping for clothes.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I am a morning person.
What is your favorite holiday?
I love New Year's Day.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I like to run in the park.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I enjoy dancing.
What kind of TV shows do you like?
I like watching comedies.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coffee.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I enjoy going to the beach.
Do you enjoy cooking for others?
Yes, I like cooking for my family.
Do you like learning new things?
Yes, I love learning new things.
Do you like art?
Yes, I enjoy visiting art museums.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar and piano.
What is your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is the rose.
Do you prefer watching movies at home or in the cinema?
I enjoy going to the cinema.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, I grow vegetables in my garden.
What is your favorite type of weather?
I like sunny weather.
Do you like going to concerts?
Yes, I enjoy going to concerts.
Do you prefer working in a team or alone?
I prefer working in a team.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I enjoy spicy dishes.
What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is ice cream.
Do you like swimming?
Yes, I love swimming in the sea.
Do you like reading before bed?
Yes, it helps me relax.
Do you like trying new foods?
Yes, I love trying new dishes.
Do you prefer hot or cold drinks?
I like cold drinks.
Do you enjoy going to the theater?
Yes, I enjoy theater performances.
Do you like surprises?
Yes, I think surprises are fun.
Do you like to wake up early?
Yes, I like to wake up early.
Do you like traveling by plane?
Yes, I like traveling by plane.
Do you like to write?
Yes, I enjoy writing stories.
Do you prefer casual or formal clothes?
I prefer formal clothes.
Do you like fast food?
Yes, sometimes I do.
Do you like camping?
Yes, I enjoy camping in the summer.
What is your favorite day of the week?
I like Friday the most.
Do you like riding bicycles?
Yes, I ride my bike every weekend.
Do you like reading poetry?
Yes, I enjoy poetry.
Do you like taking pictures?
Yes, I love photography.
Do you like visiting zoos?
Yes, I enjoy seeing the animals.
Do you like fishing?
Yes, I enjoy fishing with my family.
Did you enjoy talking to me?
Yes, it was great chatting with you.
Can we talk again soon?
Absolutely, I'd like that.
What do you say before leaving?
Have a wonderful day.
What do you say when leaving?
Goodbye.